Hello, how are you? Yeah, okay. So I'm just observing what's going on here, seeing the shoulder, what's going on with your body, little body reading already. Okay, and then yeah, you can lie down here. And as she's lying down, I also keep observing. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so this is your first session today. Have you had any of this kind of work before?
No.
First time. I'm just seeing what's going on here. If there's any area that's a little higher, I see your head is pulling off a little bit to the left. And while I'm listening to your pulse, there's also contact already, like physical contact. Take a breath myself, and yes, I see this is a little bit higher, and I also notice that her feet are rolling out. So then at the same time, so I don't really know exactly what's going on yet with her pulse. This is like a first intake. And then I'll sit on the left. I'm going to place my hands on the coccyx, tailbone area, and just stay a few moments here. Did you come in running or
Sort of.
sort of? Yeah, yeah. I can feel it in their pulses. They're a little bit fast still. Yeah. Yeah, just settling in, and then I continue to read the body as I'm starting to scan. Like it's her first time here, so I want to feel a little bit physically what's going on. Or two or other two, 23s. While I'm holding the hand on that actually feels good. So, I feel a little bit tighter on the right side. You have a lot going on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, we feel it on the right side of the body. So, the nines. Just keep observing what's going on in her hands. Oh, I see, for example, this little finger here. From fifth depth, we have some emotional stuff going on. Yeah. And then just in the shoulders. Don't know yet why her head is rolling over. Her right fore is a bit tight. Is there anything you would like me to work on or that you want me to know about?
Well, there's a lot, but I think I would like to have some more inner peace.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I feel. It's a bit high in energy.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I feel most of the time.
Mm-hmm.
But I can't get quiet.
Right. So what comes to mind is, for example, opposite 26 to start with 26 with opposite 24. But before I go, let me just tune in one more time to her pulses. Yeah, they are a little bit fast. So that is a very nice place to start. Okay, well, yeah, you can really enjoy this session and just relax and get into the breath. Yeah. So basically, that's how we do it.